friends! In this video, we will color a cute crab. Have you ever colored a crab? If not, let's learn together. Let's first delete the crab that has been given color. After that, we will give color like the picture on the right side.
Orange color.
Red color.
Orange color. Green color.
Good! You are very good at coloring. Now we will color with other colors, but first we erase this color. Good! So amazing! You are very talented in coloring a crab. Keep learning, my little friend. See you in another interesting video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!